imagine that you are a shop owner and you happen to sell your products with this unique green color cylinder, if not red square boxes. So either you guys use this or this, and you don't yourself make the boxes, you place orders, and the supplier, he happens to or she happens to send the boxes in this manner. So you place the order 2 times, and she sends the boxes in this manner. First time she sends the boxes with 5 different packaging, but each packaging containing 2 green and 3 red boxes. Okay, this is the first shipment. Then we have the second shipment. Second time you guys placed an order, and that person, she sent you guys the product in this manner. There are around 1 2 3 4 5, and this also 5 boxes. 5 plus 5, 10 boxes she sent. Now the question is, did we receive the same amount of boxes? Did we receive the same amount of boxes? Same amount of green boxes and same amount of red boxes. Is it so? Right? So let's have a look at that. The first shipment was a mixed package, right? In this manner. The supplier sends 5 mixed packages, each containing 2 green and 3 red square boxes. The mathematical equivalent of this will be what? Well, we have 5 packages, right? These are 5 packages, and each has 2 green plus 3 red. We'll consider this as red. Is that correct? So let me write it a bit less with variables or letters, and only with numbers. So this is your green, and this is the red boxes, but 5 packaging. Is this correct? Now, in the second scenario, the supplier happens to send 5 packages of green cylinder. Okay, so 5 packages of green cylinder boxes with 2 in each, and 5 packages of red square with 3 red square in each package. So these are the total boxes. So I don't know if you guys counted this or not, but if you count it, there will be around 10 plus 15, so 25 boxes. Here too it is 25 boxes. So we received the same amount of boxes, but what was the difference? The packaging was the difference. How that person sent, in what way that was the difference. Do you guys agree? So did you receive the same amount? Yes, we received the same amount. This demonstrates something called as distributive property. That is, 2 times of 3, 2 plus 3 is same as 5 times of 2 plus 5 times of 3. My bad, let me read this again. 5 times of 2 plus 3 is same as 5 times of 2 plus 5 times of 3. This is known as distributive property. So let me talk about the property. Don't worry, again, as usual, we'll do a lot of questions and we'll understand better. This is just an introduction video. So basic idea is this. This property helps us simplify expressions where a number is multiplying a sum or difference inside the bracket. It means you can distribute the multiplication to each term inside the bracket. So this is a general rule. So the rule holds good for many terms. So we'll see all of this. So first, let me give an example. Okay, I've listed over here. Say you have 5 times of 10 plus 4. This is same as doing 5 times of 10 plus 5 times of 4. That is basically you are distributing the 5. So we have made a point over here that it holds good for any number of terms. So 5 times of 10 plus 4 plus or minus 3, or let me keep it as plus 3 itself. So distributive property tells that you should multiply 5 times of 10 and also 4 and also 3. Whatever is there, the number is there inside the bracket. Each term has to be multiplied with the outside term. So basically this is equal to, let me actually write the equal to symbol, 5 times of 10 plus whatever the symbol is there, you should write that, 5 times of 4, again the symbol, and 5 times of 3. So some of you might be thinking, what if there is a negative term? So let me take 12 times of 3 minus or 31 minus 4, something like this. Here too, we are looking at 12 multiplying both these numbers. So this is 12 times of 31. This is minus 4. So minus of 12 times of 4. Or if you guys want to make it a bit simpler, not to get confused, let me have this as well. This, or you can think of it in this way. 12 times of 31 plus 12 times of minus 4. Either of this will result in the same answer. Okay, so this is your distributive property. So let's go back to the video or the scenario. See, here we are looking at 5 times of 2 plus 3. That is 5 packages containing 2 green boxes plus 3 red boxes. So the total number of boxes will be 5 times of 2 plus 3. In this case, the total number of boxes is 5 times of 2 because there were 5 different packages containing 2 green boxes. And here the second scenario, we have 5 different boxes with 3 red boxes in them. 5 different packaging with 3 red boxes in them. And so totaling to this. If you do the math, it'll turn out that we'll get 25, right? We saw, yeah, it's here itself. Both will yield the same number. Okay. So we'll do a few questions, then it will be a lot more clear if it's already not.